To set up eSIM on a Google Pixel phone, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter network and internet right here, and then there's the SIM cards that you can select. And now you will need to wait a couple of seconds until it checks all of the network information, and then there's option to set up brand new eSIM with this button, or also there was a button that allowed you to transfer your eSIM from other device, but that second option is only supported by a few regions, so if you do not see it or you cannot use it, that means it's not yet possible for your region. Now finally, when you're in this area right here that you can use to scan QR code from the carrier of your eSIM, you can scan it, of course, with the camera. You can also scan it from the photo, or also I think if we click on this, we'll be able to enter the details manually. The code that you have on the carrier, you can enter it manually as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.